What's up, guys? So today is your girl's birthday and I'm gonna go ahead and take the Z to a Cars and Coffee. It's actually a beautiful day, very sunny, so we're gonna go ahead and take the Z to Cars and Coffee. I went to this Cars and Coffee probably 2 weeks ago with my car, and then this time I'm gonna go ahead and take the Z because I mean, why not, right? I mean, I have a car, so I might as well do it. So that being said, if you guys do enjoy the video, make sure to like the video, comment down below happy birthday Marisaaabel, and subscribe if you're new. And yeah, I'll catch you guys legit in a few minutes because we're not that far, but let me give you guys a quick 360 of the car because you know I got you. I'm here. We will make it. Oh, I thought it was gonna be parking over there. Enjoy Cars and Coffee. You guys want something? You guys want to drink? It's like that's funny because today there's a lot of Z's.
I like that.
There's a lot more than last week. Woo! Another cold day. Baby blue. I want to see the inside. Okay, we got some carbon fiber. I like orange cars like these. Nice. Yep, there's always that one person. I should probably try to bring my mom to a Cars and Coffee. I want to see how she reacts. She's probably gonna be like, "What is this?" Right? She would just like go around and walk. Alright, we got a bag Z over here. If I'm not mistaken, that's probably a Nismo or something. GTRs here. Last time I didn't see these. Alright, so this weekend was actually a lot better than the other weekend. Look, the 350. BMWs in every corner. This blue is nice. like never really like built Supras around.
Yeah, people don't drive these built cars all the time.
Yeah, I thought he was coming in here.
He was coming in first.
Oh, he took his parking spot. I think as it gets warmer outside, there's gonna be more people and more cars. Not too ratchet for you. It's okay. Damn, look at, I really like orange cars. I think I saw that one last time. This is a color that everyone says that I apparently have. It's not the same thing. Not at all. I haven't seen this green one.
What's the red inside?
Is it red inside?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Nice color. We got pretty colors here. A 350.
Make the cops come.
It's too, because they're doing too much, right?
Yeah.
And it's supposed to be till 12, and I think. Damn, the cops are here. People are gonna slowly leave. As long as hell?
Yeah. Last week, well 2 weeks ago, it was so calm. It was too calm. That was so boring. But this time, I think they overdid it. Look, y'all, they snitching. This is done. I'm actually gonna go get something to eat for breakfast. Yo, they're snitching. Yo. People are snitching. Nah, I don't know. They're probably like, oh, what's going on? Oh, the cars and coffee. You sure? Because people are like crazy. I guess we're going to go to a diner. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. Safe and sound. So we're gonna go ahead and get some breakfast ready. Yeah.
Let's go, girl.
Let's go.
Or you're like too cozy.
Hell no, I'm not cozy.
Oh, cause like you look warm, you still have your seatbelt on.
Good.
I would have been sad if it was like cloudy and stuff. That would have ruined my mood. I hate when it's cloudy. I hate when it rains. All right, I just finished eating. Now we're gonna go ahead and go to the second spot, right? A daytime car meet.
Oh, you asking me?
I don't know. We're here. We made it. It's cold. Oh, they were screwing me at that Miata. But they were screwing me at that car. And this is what I'm doing. I'm not really like a person to go clubbing. I'm more like a chill person. Like I went and like I sat there. Not really sat there, but I went to experience it. So I can say at least I went. And to be honest, I didn't like it. I felt weird. I was just like, I wanted to go home. But can y'all see the city back there? Look at New York over there. Yeah. saw that Corvette earlier. Why don't you put that in the back?
Oh, I'm gonna look at it. Bitch, you have to take this chicken. That shit was hard.
I didn't really have chicken. Egg whites or regular eggs, are they the same?
To me,
To you they are? But do they taste the same?
this don't taste like eggs. But it does. Just the outside part, not the inside.
And what are egg whites made of? It's just like a liquid or like
I
powder?
heard people do it differently, but I know it's liquid. I know you have the liquid version.
Yeah, I seen the liquid wood.
The liquid.
I want a liquid wood. What? It's like, but I seen the liquid version and I thought it was so weird because I'm just like, eggs are supposed to be in a shell, not like in a cardboard box from a milk carton. Like, I don't think that's healthy. I think eggs are eggs and eggs are healthy, so
It tastes healthy, but
I think that's the point. Egg whites are supposed to be healthy. Some cars parked up there. Yeah, I don't know if any more cars are coming in. So I am currently done here, I guess, for this video. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a nighttime POV for you guys tonight. But that was today's video, and that concludes just today's video. So make sure to like, make sure to comment and subscribe if you're new. But I still have the Z, and pretty much it's your girl's birthday, so spam the comments and say happy birthday, Marisaaabel. But I gotta go ahead and get a quick thumbnail. I said thumbnail, but look at this. It's very nice here. It's a castle. We got the Z, and pretty much I did my first reel over there with my Nissan, and it actually did good. So now we're here. But yeah, so that is today's video, and I'll see you guys all next time. To say that the second event of that Cars and Coffee did not go as planned. That really was like nothing, but at least I bring you guys along and I try. So yeah, okay, now I'm out. Peace. Their models be like this, like that's how their models be.
yeah. So you want to pose like that?
No, that'd be weird. Nah, hold up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, action. No?
That's not weird.
Hold up. Okay. 1, 2, 3, action. Yo, why you looking at me like that?
Because I'm waiting to see, tell me if you, like, what are you serious about?